would you have any guidance for a defendant whose defense attorney is saying, I don't want you to prepare this lengthy statement of remorse for appeal reasons or for something else? But sometimes the defendant really wants to express that, but on advice of counsel, he doesn't do it. Do you have any guidance for somebody who faces that dilemma?
Yeah, I think first one, really ask why. Try to figure out what that is. Sometimes I wouldn't want a defendant talking either. And it has nothing to do with an appeal. It's because that person isn't remorseful and hasn't given some thought and feels like they're the victim and hasn't owned up to their situation. Well, that could hurt you. That could really hurt a defendant to go in. So it may be the criminal defense lawyer saying, you're not in a state of mind that will be advantageous in your sentencing. If it's for an appeal purpose, that's something, a whole other avenue, and you don't want to mess up an appeal. But at least in my district, we're close to 95% guilty plea rates. So we have very few trials, and that doesn't come up a whole lot. So that's an outlier. So I'd really would want to ask why. I'd like to do this. I've heard it can be effective in my case. Is there something that I'm doing that makes it not advantageous for me to stand up?